What if GoPro just killed the action camera market and accidentally created a cinema camera instead? The new GoPro Mission 1 is not your typical GoPro. This thing packs a massive 1-inch sensor, shoots up to 8K video, captures 50-megapixel photos, and can record insane slow-motion footage up to 960 frames per second. That's a huge leap from traditional action cameras. GoPro says the Mission 1 combines the image quality of professional cameras, the portability of point-and-shoots, and the durability of action cams, all in one tiny body. It also introduces the brand-new GP3 processor for better low-light performance, longer battery life, and improved thermal management. But here's the interesting part. Early reviewers are praising the sharp image quality, strong dynamic range, and impressive low-light results. Some even think it could replace a compact camera for travel creators. However, not everyone is convinced. Some users on Reddit report firmware bugs, startup issues, and concerns about focus performance on distant subjects. Others say the image quality improvements are real, but not the revolutionary jump GoPro's marketing promised. So, is Mission 1 a scam? No, it's a real camera with real buyers, real reviews, and real performance gains. But it might be one of the most overhyped GoPro launches ever. Whether it's worth the money depends on how much you value 8K video, low-light performance, and professional-level features in an ultra-compact body. The Mission 1 isn't trying to be another GoPro. It's GoPro betting its future on a completely different kind of creator. And the question isn't whether the camera's good. The question is, will creators actually switch?